should have no tolerance for this kind of error.
You're absolutely right, sir. We are getting to know, as I was mentioning, as per the information that has been provided by the ordnance factory in Bhandara, it says the factory is a pioneer in explosive and chemical group of factories. It has multi-dimensional product matrix ranging from acids to high explosives and various propellants with highest quality standards. The quality management system of the factory conforms to ISO 9001 standard, and the testing facilities in its well equipped laboratories have been accredited by NABL. General Brajesh, I am going to come back to you. Now, when these high explosives are being handled very carefully by the workers, is there training provided to them? How long does this training last? Again, the question, it has been accredited by NABL. Who should the blame be put on? Is it only the mistake of the workers who were working over there and manufacturing this defense equipment? How do we make sure, like you said, there is going to be an inquiry that is going to be brought up, and you said that there has to be zero tolerance shown, because this is you said this is a Make in India defense initiative. If such blasts continue to happen because of negligence, or because guidelines were not followed, or because of laxity in terms of putting out rules and regulations, the questions are being raised, will be raised on the Defense Ministry and the armed forces themselves.
You see, the issue is explosives, high explosives in India are only handled by accredited units in the public sector, that to defense public sector. To my knowledge, there are no institutions, there is not a commercial people who handle such kind of high explosive in India. Having said that, the internal system of these organizations itself is very, very good, both in terms of training, induction of people, officers level, supervisor level, function level, workers level, and whatever. They are, of course, they are monopoly. But even then, since they handle such critical equipment, those systems are taped up and they are checked and cross-checked by various people within the DRDO organization, in this case, Munition India, as also the Ministry of Defense. And as you said, there is also a Government of India body which does those one or two statutory checks as per periodicity. So I am very sure of that those are not an issue apparently, because people are reasonably well trained. But yes, accident can happen, and they should be avoided. But my more concern is these accidents are not a kind of a sabotage. That's a worry which we have to rule out, and that I'm sure they'll be ruled out pretty fast by a set of inquiry or what have you, to rule things out. And obviously, we cannot have this kind of a thing getting repeated. I'm sure we have mature people, smart people
sir,
in the organization to probably do that.
Yeah, okay. I'm going to